Hi, Jimmy. Hi, Jim. You're in the wrong place.
What you guys doing?
You're in the wrong place. You're not supposed to be here. Did you open your gate? Go home. Go over here. Come on, goats.
Oh, you guys are so fat.
Escapee goats.
How sweet.
Thank you for not going in the greenhouse. It is the evening. The sun is setting, and I'm heading back to my cabin. And there's Jimmy. I'm just vibing. Here are the goats. They were naughty. They got out today. I'll try and leave Jimmy alone. And we can feed the goats. Oh, yes. Here. Y'all want some snacks? Oh. Oh, what a good goat. No, you have to share. No. Here you go. Oh, careful. Oh. Okay, here, I'll get you more. Come on. Oh, Jimmy, you watching the sunset? What a creature. Hi, goats. You have an itch? You can go see the bees. See, the beehive is right there, and that's my cabin. So the beehive is inside the walls of my cabin. The bees can't come inside, it's blocked off, but sometimes you can hear them. Hi, goats. They're munching.